Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Dear students, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. Not just the politician in the one leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silent. In the same way, the past 20 years of Waziristan, we realize the importance of pen and books when we saw the guns. Why is it that countries which become strong are so powerful in creating wars, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it? Why is it that giving guns is so easy, but giving books is so hard? That making tanks is so easy, but building cars is so hard. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first.